If you want to print something in Microsoft Excel, you can simply go to File and Print, and of course it will print the entire sheet in your workbook. However, what if you want to just print a section of your sheet? Well, what you can do is use your left mouse button and you can select the area that you'd like to print and then go to File and Print, and then hit the drop down under Settings and choose Print Selection. There we go. Now it's just going to print the selection that I chose rather than the entire thing. Let's do that one more time just in case you need it. I'm going to choose a different section now. I'll go ahead and choose Name and State. I'll choose File, Print, and under Settings, make sure it says Print Selection. And it'll just print that selection. And then we just hit Print, and then that's it. So that's how we print just a section of a workbook sheet in Microsoft Excel.